Hi, friends. I'm the king of animals. Meet my amazing animal friends and know their names. Hey, friends. I'm a lion. I'm golden and I eat meat. Hey, buddies. I'm leopard. I'm golden. I climb trees fast. Hello, friends. I'm elephant. I'm big and I love to eat green leaves.
Hi friends, I'm Giraffe. I'm tall and yellow. I eat tasty tree leaves.
Hey kids, I'm Zebra. I'm black and I love to run fast on the grass.
Hi friends, I'm Monkey. I'm brown and funny. I love to eat sweet bananas.
Hey kids, I'm Kangaroo. I'm brown and I hop around. I love to eat green grass.
Hi, kids. I'm Mammoth. I'm big. I love cold, snowy places. Hello, friends. I'm Wolf. I love to hunt with my pack. Hey, friends. I'm Bison. I'm big and I love to eat green grass and open fields.
Hey buddies, I'm Camel. I'm sandy brown and I walk in the hot desert. I love to eat dry plants.
Hey, pals. I'm Gorilla. I'm big and black and I love to eat fruits and leaves.
Hi there, Hip. I'm gray and fat. I love to stay in cool water.
Hey, friends. I'm Wild Boar. I'm brown and I love digging for roots and fruits.
Hi kids, I'm Tiger. I'm orange and I love to hunt in the jungle.
Hi, kids. I'm Deer. I'm light brown. Light in grass.
Hello, friends. I'm Buffalo. I'm black and strong. I eat lots of grass.
Hi friends, subscribe to Learn in Holidays. Thanks for watching.